Guys, welcome in, welcome back, guys. We're doing New York City style franks. Yeah, hot dogs, franks, right? Now, that's when I grew up, that's what we called them, franks, right? And typically outside on the cart, you would get a knish, you would get a frank, and you would get red onions. So I went to the store, red onions was like $6.99 for a bottle. I'm not doing it. $2, yes. So we got a red onion, we're gonna make red onions. We're gonna have a hot dog and we're gonna have our knish. So I'll bring you guys back once I have this onion cut up. All right, guys, so we got our onions cut up and we're just gonna go down with a little bit of avocado oil, not too much. And then we're going in with our onions. All right, guys, we're gonna cook these until these are slightly opaque, right on the outside, and the onions are soft. So I will bring you guys back in probably about 5 minutes or so, maybe 3, when these onions are softened up. And I got a medium heat on this onion pot. All right, guys, so our onions, you see how they have softened up a lot? This is what they look like. All right, so now we're gonna go in with a 1/4 cup of vinegar and then a 1/4 cup of ketchup. I'm gonna say that's probably about a 1/4 cup. And we're just giving this a nice little spin, right? Now, I think this needs a little bit more ketchup. I did add an extra half an onion, and I'm gonna put a little bit of water in there. Let's say a 1/4 cup of water. Because we do want to be able to cook this down. Okay, a little bit more water. 1/4 teaspoon of granulated garlic. Let's make it 2. And then we're gonna go with some chili powder. 1/4. Let's do 2. And to make it slightly spicy, I'm just gonna go in with a few flakes of red pepper. Let's give this a spin. We're gonna let this go 15 minutes. 15 minutes, and yeah, we'll be eating. All right, guys, it's been like 15 minutes, and these are done. These are ready to go on some hot dogs, but I'm gonna give this a taste, see if we need anything. Now, we didn't put any salt, right? No pepper, just the seasonings that you saw. Let's give this a taste. Guys, that's it. Next time I think I put a little less vinegar, but yeah. All right, guys, so we got our franks, right? And then we're gonna go down with some mustard. I go down one side with mustard, right? We're gonna go in with some of our onions. Then we're gonna go down with some of our onions here. Nice and easy. More on there, right? Right? So we don't forget, we got our knish, right? Now, of course, these are store-bought, right? These are store-bought knishes, but you also take the knish, right? This is what we did growing up. Cut it open in the middle. Right? Pop it open, and then guess what guess what goes on the inside? Stick a little bit of onions down in there. Now, all y'all from New York, you know what this is, right? And then you gotta put a little bit of mustard in there too. And that's it, guys. This would be lunch. This would be lunch in New York City. Right off the cart. Right off the cart. Right, so let's give this a taste. But first, let me do a thumbnail. All right, guys, so let's give this a taste. I'm gonna go in. This side has a little bit more mustard on it. Right here. Now, if you don't have this in the supermarket or you don't want to pay the money, it's pretty good. And then the knish. You didn't know knish is potato. Yeah, this is delicious. This is a combination of my childhood. New York City, right here. New York City French. And the knish. Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.